Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. The other day I had to be in Folkston for another event that was going on, and I went a little early and decided to partake of some rail watching. Well, unfortunately there was a storm front moving into the area, so some of my footage turned out less than ideal. I debated on posting the footage, but decided to anyway, so here's what I got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment to keep these videos coming your way. Well, it got it though.
Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.